Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to like do stuff with Teto and like the extras of OpenUTAU. How to set the start thing, but actually I don't know about that, so we're just gonna leave that to later. And I actually don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so as you can see, I have some voice banks, and these are some of the OpenUTAU voice library, which I'm going to show you how to get to. And let me just search up Okasane Teto download. Click the thing, and there we go. Click the first website that shows it. Do not click simply or anything like that, and wait for it to load. My Wi-Fi is really bad, so don't worry about that. And finally, when it loads, as you can see, it's a OpenUTAU voice archive, and you should click the OpenUTAU deal or UTAU deal, but so do not click any, just click the first thing that shows and go to UTAU voice bank data. You can also I don't actually know what deal means, but there you go. Japanese integrated library for OpenUTAU. Download this, and but keep in mind that it's only Japanese. It says that. So let's just click this, and and if you wanna, and there's like a comment on my video. No thanks, I'm not gonna reply to that, but later, right? And there we go. And the name random name me say good tutorial. Could you make tutorial on how to make Teto speak? I'm lost. I'm so lost. Yeah. So how to make her speak is that you go to the tab that you open Teto, and you just go there and go to the question mark thing, or click the tips button, or aka T key. Yeah. Oh crap! That's very loud. Oh dear. Prepare for the worst. My eardrum. Yeah, so you see that, the notes. Oh crap. My number is scared. Yeah. So, as you can see, shut. Okay, so as you can see, the darker lines represent the mistake on there. So the darker lines represent sad vocals, and the lighter lines represent happy vocals, and the dynamics are used for tuning. Of course, if you don't know how to do pitch bends and stuff, and that's important. If you don't know how to do pitch bends. Why am I so slow, bro? Okay. So you can edit the lyrics, but as like I said, oh dear, not again. Okay, so like I said, you can. It's only Japanese, so it won't be really. Of course, there would be English words, letters, but it won't be really Japanese. You could read the Japanese alphabet, which is on the screen. And you can edit the lyrics. I'm very smart. Yeah, I'm using my creativity. Yeah. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so if you want to get the English voice bank, scroll down to the English voice sound library. You can either choose this or other style. You can also make a whisper with other voice, with me voice. What is that anyway? Extra library. You can use that. Make sure you download the Kasane Teto only, alright? So I don't know what me voice does, and yes, I used a new browser because of course. But just and click the download English resource answers library. Do not click the download plugins unless you want to use the plugins, which I don't even know. And you see, you can write in lyrics, and you can see the Kasane Tetra thing, which is Kasane Tetra character on the right side, and which is due to authoring or something. Auto, O-T-O. Please. Yeah. Very smart, I know, right? So smart. Gosh. Yeah. But. You can see, do not. You can. You see these two gaps. Do not make another note on top of that because it's gonna sound wonky, and you could either put it up there or down there. There we go. I still haven't made scripts. Very sorry. Alright, so what you're gonna do is to make her speak, click the space button, and we have another comment which is I'm using a voiceover. I haven't gotten scripts yet because this stupid CapCut program doesn't even let me use it. I'm gonna write. Hello, this is a tutorial. So. I can't read, okay? I'm blind. Okay, stop singing. The singing is ugly anyways. I'm talking to myself. Okay. So anyways, thank you for 74 subs. We hope to reach 80 subs, then 90, then 100. Yeah. So, what is my cursor doing? Burps cutely. Okay. So, you see the dynamics and stuff? Well, these are for tuning, vocal fry. Other fancy stuff that I actually have no idea about. But do not mess with the word aligner R because I think that's low-key important. What are you doing with Snow Miku? Bro, you should do this. Snow Miku সাথে কি কর? Wait, I'm recording shit. Snow Miku. Sakura Miku and Hatsune Miku কই গেল? Okay, so you can read the instruction letter there, but first, how do people get this? When you get to beginner stuff, when it's your first time in OpenUTAU, you see this, just click the question mark or the stuff. Tiki. Why am I getting vegan teacher shorts? Anyways, there we go. Who's this? Yuki plays Roblox. And okay. Shout out to the people in the video. Yeah, shout out to my comment section there, except for those who didn't even show up. Well, I'm sorry because Okay, so how do we make Tetra sing or any other people? Any other UTAUs? So to get the dark theme. Wait. No, I'm dumb. Yeah, get the dark theme. You first go to Tools and Preferences and scroll down. I was lucky dumb, and you can go to appearance and click your language. I wanna there's no Bangla. I'm sorry to my Bangla producers already. And where's the dark theme? I can't read, okay? I'm joking, I can read, but wait. There we go. And oh yeah, go to theme, dark. Flashbang. Okay, I just got flashbang. Anyway, I go to please choose dark, or else you're gonna get flashbang. Anyways, you can mess around with it, but please do not mess with the noting stuff, tuning stuff, because it's gonna cost you a lot if you're a beginner producer or beginner to OpenUTAU or Pro Studio or any other softwares. So then, I'm low-key tired. Anyways, shoutouts to a random named me for recommending me to make this tutorial, and inshallah in the future I will make a Q&A. Oh, and also please, not please, but click the link in the description for forums. And so thank you for 70 subs, and I love you all. Yeah. And also I don't really use Discord anymore, so RIP. And also Twitch. I don't use these two applications. Anyways, as you can see, I have these voice banks. Not W. I'm joking. Anyways, Pro Studio NT2. I'm crazy. How do I have this much energy after not sleeping that well? Yeah, 4 hours of sleep yesterday. Not yesterday, not like today. Like when I got to not Dhaka. Yeah. Finally, I'm home. Okay. Wait, did I just... As you can see, momone, same thing. Don't worry about that. And make sure that their notes are fixed. Oh, my ears. Oh, my dear ears. And also you can rename your track. Yay. And, there we go. No, don't worry about the house name. I just made it. I just got the format. Anyways, you can also get new tracks. And what the heck? Okay, I cannot read that. Anyways, you can see case. Yeah, good. You can download it from the wiki page, and Momone from Borise. If you search it up, so you go to Passion because that's what I use, and you go to ChatGPT recommended me to see. I also tested it out. I don't know. Why am I getting DJ Cook videos? What the fuck? Anyways, I don't even watch DJ Cook. And anyways, I tested it out, and you can see it's yes. And yeah, ChatGPT actually recommended it, and not joking, but still, you can type in any other words like how to get Kasane title free. What am I talking about? Is Kasane title is already free, and I have an attention span of a goldfish. I'm recording. Great tutorial. But what are those tabs? Great tutorial. How many tabs do you have? Yeah, it's like okay, I can't see the name, but Stay over. No, make sure to leave some question answers below. But dog, my singing sucks. Anyways, bye. Bye. No, give me some. I was about to say more, but I just say monitoring. Anyways, bye. Check out these videos and yeah. Too annoying anyways. Bye.